Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's look is a daytime date look, or you can say a coffee date look, something that's really natural, really easy, and really simple to create. I really wanted to do something very easy, like in 7 to 8 steps, in 10 to 15 minutes it's done, something somewhat like that. So without further saying, let's get into the makeup. I've already done my eyebrows and primed my face, so I'm using a concealer to conceal and prep and prime my lids and my under eyes. After that, using a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the concealer. Once the concealer is blended, I'm going to use a translucent powder and place it on my lids so it does not settle in the crease and form any lines. After that, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty HD Pro palette and use this warm brown shade in my crease and above my crease with the help of a fluffy brush and blend it all in my outer V and in my crease and above the line of crease. Once we are done with that, I'm going to just put some concealer on my eyelid so that it looks neat and clean for the glitter eyeshadow that I'm going to place on. Using this Blossom palette from Swiss Beauty, I'm going to take this shade that is really shimmery. I don't remember its name. I'm going to place it on my lids. Coming to my face, I'm going to use the foundation. This foundation is from Wet n Wild and I'm going to put it all over my face and blend it with the help of a damp beauty blender. Because this is a daytime look and I don't want my makeup to be really very heavy or cakey or anything, I'm using a medium coverage foundation, and Wet n Wild I think is one of my favorite foundation with medium coverage. It's really easy to wear. And next I'm using my concealer on the areas I want to highlight. I'm not going to go very heavy with my concealer also. To place it on the areas where it is really necessary, where I have darkness, and then going to blend it all with the same damp beauty blender with which I have blended my foundation. After using my concealer, I'm going to use contour. I'm going to use a contour stick and contour the areas that I want to be shadowed, like my temples, my forehead, my nose, my jawline and my cheeks. I'm going to contour all these areas with the help of this contour stick, and after that I'm going to use the same beauty blender, or you can also use a brush, a contouring brush. That is also really nice. You can use whatever you have to just blend everything up so that it does not look like messy or cakey or anything of that sort. It should be all blended up together, nice and neat. Now I'm going to use the shimmery eyeshadow shade on the button and bridge of my nose as my nose highlighter. Now using a kajal stick, I'm going to tightline my waterline. After that, using a pink eyeshadow from the same Blossom palette, I'm going to use it as my blush. I'm going to place my wing liner with the help of a liquid eyeliner. You can use a pen liner also, whatever makes you comfortable, whatever is easier for you. I'm going to just highlight my cheekbones and my chin and a little bit of my forehead, and then go on to my mascara. After prepping and coating my lashes with mascara, I'm going to take a brown lip liner and just outline my lips. The way it is, I'm not going to overline it a lot. I'll keep it on a really natural side. Once I'm done with the lip liner, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty lipstick. This is the bullet lipstick from Swiss Beauty in the shade Coffee. And after I've put it, I'm going to use the same fluffy brush that I used for using the translucent powder and put some of the translucent powder on my lips so it does not shine and it looks really matte and looks natural. Alright guys, so the look is complete. I'm just going to put on some lenses and change my top, and this is the final look guys. I love it. I love creating such easy and simple looks, and it's not so much time consuming also. It's light to wear and you just enjoy such looks. To be honest guys, I love creating these simple easy makeup looks, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button, share it with your makeup squad, subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next videos. Mwah. Bye guys.